In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WooCommerce cart page with Elementor. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to woocommerce.com, and then from in there, click onto the Start Here option in order to start here with your account or create a new one. And then from in there, you can actually create it, or if you already have one, click onto this login option right there. Now, once you have done that, you can actually head over next to elementor.com. Head over and click onto this Get Started option in order to get started to one, or click onto this Login as well in order to log in to an account. Now, I already have an account on both, so here is what it looks like on my homepage. So my WooCommerce is actually connected to my WordPress. So into this part, you can just head over to the Pages option, and then from in there, just scroll down right here until you can find the cart page. Here it is right there. Click onto this edit option, and here is what it looks like on my cart page. So I want to edit this and remove some things. So in order to do that, you can head over and use Elementor. Click onto this edit with Elementor option that we can see right here. Click on this leave. And after that, this will open in here this particular website or this particular page with my Elementor editor. So for this, you can just wait for this to actually load. This will load in here all of the aspects. You can see in here that we have this part loading, and if you want to edit it, you can actually just head over and then add some containers, add in here some widgets, remove some things. Like for example, you can search in here for the search bar and search for product. You can add those product prices, product stocks, meta, related, and the like. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.